Okay, so this is how you upload your Sawmill Creek solo into the Solo Challenge Flipgrid site. It's you're going to click flipgrid.com/Kleb Sawmill Solo, okay, which is here, and then we're going to plug in band rocks exclamation point. Okay, so it's going to send you to the site where you need to be, and you just let me go ahead and make it visible. So you're going to type in all lowercase and all together, band, rocks, and then exclamation point. Let's see, band, rocks, an S, exclamation point. Let's go. Alright, and you just come on down here, and you're going to click the plus sign. Also, you can watch all the other recordings from who's uploaded so far. So you're going to click the plus button. You have to log in with your Google account, which is actually your student ID, okay, your student account. So go ahead and click in. So if your client ISD email should get you in. Okay, and this is where you start recording. Hello. Okay, so what you're going to do is click record. Now, here's the thing. You only have a minute and a half to do it, okay? If you're at you can change the tempo. The slowest you can possibly go is probably about 85 beats per minute. The song goes about 100, okay? Then from here, you just click record. After you record, it's going to ask for you to take a picture, and that's going to be your actual screen, like what these folks have here, okay? You can do something really fun, and then you hit submit, and that's it. It just needs to be under 1 minute and a half. Hope this helps.